Okay. So what we need to understand is basically, okay, let's do a couple of more questions on the graph sketching and the solving as well. So let's have a look at this question. Let's start with question number 4, which is very important and have more concepts involved as well. And then we'll try to complete all other questions as well and as many questions as possible. So the graphs, this one is basically from February, March 2021, paper 4, variant 2, question number 6. And this is the diagram shows the graph of y is equals to a plus b x square. Okay. So the diagram so the grid shows the graph of y is equals to a plus bx square. The graph passes through the points with the coordinates 0, comma 4 and 1, comma 1. You just have to find the values of a and b. So it's not difficult at all. Just have to do of the thinking if the coordinates are available, you just have to substitute and get the equation, students. Okay, y is equals to a plus bx square. Just substitute and get the equation that we got y is equals to a plus bx square, which is y is equals to 4, a plus b times of x square, which is 0 square. So that will be 4 is equals to a plus 0 because anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So a value will be coming as 4. Any doubts, any questions, anyone? People got it clear, students? Understood? So we got the value of a is equals to 4. That is part A, part 1 done. Okay, we have got sir A part 1. Okay, the value of A will be 4. The next thing is basically that we have 1, comma 1. When y is 1, we have to get the values. Okay, when y is 1, it will be A, which is 4 sir, plus B times of x square, which is 1 square as well. So that will be 1 is equals to 4 plus B. So B will be equals to 1 minus 4, negative 3. So this is answer, and we have got the first 2 marks for this question, which is B is equals to negative 3. Okay. So we got A is equals to 4 and B is equals to negative 3. That is what we have achieved, and we have got all this is done. Is everyone clear? We have got the 2 marks, just one mark for the value. That's it. A value is 4 and B value is minus 3. Any questions? Anyone got it? People clear, following, understood? Okay, sir, we have got A value as 4 and B value as minus 3. Is it clear? Everyone understood? Got it? Following, any questions, people? Anyone? Okay. So we have got A value as 4 and B value as minus 3. That is what we have got here for the part A. The next one is that we have to write down the equation of the tangent to the graph at the 0, comma 4. So we have to write down the equation of the tangent to the graph at 0, comma 4. So we will go to 0, comma 4, and 0, comma 4 is this coordinate. As everyone can see, 0, comma 4 is this coordinate, students. 0, comma 4 is this coordinate, and you have to write down the equation of the tangent. So it will be the equation of the tangent will be just touching, and that will be, sir, the answer will be y is equals to 4. That will be the equation of the tangent. Is everyone clear? Understood? Very simple. It will be a, sir, horizontal lines. It will be horizontal lines. K y is equals to 4 will be the solution. Is it clear? Got it? Understood? Everyone following? Understood? Any questions? Any issues? People got it? Clear? Understood? Okay, we got y is equals to 4. So here the next one is that the equation of the tangent to the graph at x is equals to minus 1 is equals to y is equals to 6x plus 7. Find the equation of the tangent to the graph at x is equals to positive 1. Any questions in part A, part 2 or part 3? Any questions in that? So we got the equation of the tangent to the graph at x is equals to minus 1 is y is equals to 6x plus 7. And find the equation of the tangent to the graph at x is equals to 1. So it will be, okay, we go and see कि minus 1 पे जब minus 1 है तो उस पर tangent की क्या equation आ रही है? As you can see students के जब minus 1 है, अगर मैं equation of the tangent बनाऊं तो minus 1 पे equation आ रही है y is equals to positive 6x plus 7. So you can expect the same because ये symmetric है. आप x is equals to 1 पे क्या expect कर सकते हैं कि same बनेगा. It's just that the देखें आप ये same everyone knows the gradient जो होता है वो it's basically the steepness and rise over run. So you can just write down and understand that it will be the same thing. Okay, y-intercept will remain the same as well. That's how it will be. If anyone want to think about it, let me know any questions, any concerns, anyone. Okay, if you have any doubts, please let me know. कैसे होगा part 3? How do we do the tangent for this one? Yes, anyone? How will we do the tangent for this one? Think about it. क्या आप ये कैसे करेंगे? या आप सोचें थिंक अबाउट पार्ट 2 एंड पार्ट 3 के समझ आया आपको? ये नहीं समझ में आया फिर हम आगे डिस्कस करते हैं इस पे। तो ये मैंने से कहा कि ये क्योंकि ये सिमेट्रिक है पूरा ग्राफ, एज यू कैन सी सर कि ये सिमेट्रिक है पूरा ग्राफ। दैट विल बी वेरी सिंपल कि ये सिमेट्रिक है। तो जो यहाँ से इक्वेशन है वही यहाँ से इक्वेशन होगी, जस्ट द ग्रेडियंट विल बी नेगेटिव बिकॉज जो लाइंस होती है हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ है, दैट विल बी डायरेक्ट आंसर। किस तरह आप ये लिख सकते हैं, 5y इज इक्वल्स टू -6x + 7। इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इट फॉलोइंग? तो बस एक वाई इंटरसेप्ट भी सेम टच करेगा +7, जस्ट ग्रेडियंट चेंज हो जाएगा। यहाँ +6 है बिकॉज पॉजिटिव लाइन जा रही है, तो यहाँ पर नेगेटिव लाइन चली जाएगी। दैट विल बी वाई इज इक्वल्स टू -6x + 7। ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? बात समझ आ गई? क्लियर हो गई बात ये? गॉट इट? इज इट क्लियर? ये बात क्लियर हो गई स्टूडेंट्स? लेट मी नो एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनीवन, एनी इश्यूज। देखें, उसके बाद जो है वो हमारे पास है द टेबल शोज सम वैल्यूज फॉर y इज इक्वल्स टू 1 + 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 - x। So the table shows some values for y is equals to 1 + 5 divided by 3 - x for -2 till 1.5. Any questions, any doubts? तो हमने completing the table करना है सर। So let's complete the table. आपने x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है। So ये भी कर लेते हैं। 1 + 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 - x। तो नो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, टेंजेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट हम कर चुके हैं, ग्राफ स्केचिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट हम कर चुके हैं, टेबल कंप्लीट करने का कॉन्सेप्ट हम कर चुके हैं। सो इट विल बी के व्हेन इट इज बेसिकली 1, so it will be 1 + 5 divided by 3 minus 1, so that will be 2.25। ठीक है जी? So when x is -1, y is coming 2.25। ठीक है, when x is -1 और फिर when x is 0, so that will be sir 8 divided by 3, that is 2.67। and when x is 1, 1 + 5 divided by 2, that will be 3.5। okay, is it clear? Understood? Got it students? Any questions, anyone? People following? Clear? So that is completing the table and getting all 3 marks as well. Once you are done with this, we have to sketch it from -2 till 1.5 and we get 4 marks for that as well. So it will be sir, okay, -2 for 2. So -2 पे 2 आ जाएगा sir. And we can have -1.5 पे 2.11. So -1.5 पे, this is -1.5 and it will be 2.11. So that will be this thing 1 and -1, 2.11. And then we have next is -1 पे 2.25. So -1 will be 2.25 somewhat here. Okay. As you can see, the denominator में we have x, sir. Since we have x in the denominator, it means it's basically what? If we have x in the denominator, sir, it basically means कि ये जो है वो reciprocal graph है. It's a reciprocal graph, okay? Here when x is 0, we have to go for, so -1 पे 2.25 and -0.5 पे 2.43, -0.5, 2.43, something here very close to 2.5. And then it will be the last one, when x is 0, so y is coming to, when x is 0, y is coming 2.67. So 2.67 when x is 0, and when it is 0.5, we go to 3. So it's completely 1 pay 3.5. So 1 pay we go to 3.5. Now it will start increasing the difference, 1.5 pay 4.33. So 4.33 at 1.5. That's how the graph will be looking like. Is everyone getting it? Following students clear? Make sure again with a pencil, no use of rulers. Just make a proper line, and that is what the graph will be all about. Is everyone understanding? Getting that? Okay, that's how smooth the graph is, and you will get all 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have we plot all 8 points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is everyone clear? Understood? Got it? People following? Any questions? Any issues? People, everyone understood? Everyone following right? ठीक है? So what happens is basically Now we have done the grid. Now we have to write down the values of the graph where they would both intersect. Only the part C is very difficult. Every time you try to solve questions, part C is the only one that can cause problems for you. So it is very important to understand. Okay, write down the values of x. Write down the values of x where the two graph will intersect. Okay, so we have to write down the values of x where the two graph will intersect. So it's very simple, sir. Write down the value of x where the two write down the values of x where the two graph will intersect. So according to me, can we see the graph intersecting at more than one place? When x is -2, y is +2, -1, -0. So here we go. The two intersection will be, it will be, sir, this one of them is this one, and the other one is basically, you have to see the black and the blue line, okay? Don't worry about the red line. Don't confuse yourself with the red line. Red line was the part of A part 1, A part 2 question, okay? The red line is the part of A part 2 question. Make sure you don't confuse yourself. A part 2, the black and the blue line are intersecting basically at this point, the purple one and this one as well, this one. So we have to check with the marking scheme whether we are on the right track. So this one of them is coming -0.75. That is should be correct. If we are getting a direct answer that -0.75 is the one answer, and the other one will be 0.5, 0.6. So this should -0.5 and 0.75. So that should be 0.55 or something, 0.666 भी ले सकते हैं, or 0.55 also I can call this. Please have a look at the two solutions that I have got. ठीक है. Okay, so ये इसको check कर लेते हैं answers. तो if the answer is between 0.55, examiner says 0.55 to 0.59 अगर answer है तो वो correct है students. और अगर answer जो है -0.78 से लेकर to -0.72 है तब भी answer correct है. So if you are getting the answers between -0.78 to -0.72 or 0.55 to 0.59, so that will work out as well. Is everyone getting it? Falling क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? तो ये हमारे दो आंसर्स आ गए, एंड एज यू कैन सी कि मार्किंग स्कीम का स्प्लिट तो यू ऑलरेडी नो कि 1 1 मार्क फॉर द सॉल्यूशन इज देयर, राइट? उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है कि द आंसर्स टू द पार्ट, ये हो जाएगा कि सर द आंसर्स टू पार्ट सी आर टू सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ अ क्यूबिक इक्वेशन. ये पार्ट 2 आ गया. फॉर 4 मार्क्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन. तो लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्रगल, और ये बार बार आ रहा है रिसेंट पेपर से भी. वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल. दिस इज नॉट न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, इट्स जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट कि हाउ डू यू गेट फाइंड द इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म के जो वो कह रहे हैं जो सॉल्यूशंस आए द आंसर्स टू पार्ट सी पार्ट 1. ये जो सॉल्यूशंस हैं ये एक इक्वेशन का पार्ट है वो जो कि क्यूबिक इक्वेशन है. These are the two solutions that we have got, sir. The two solutions that we have got are part of the cubic equations. So how do you get that cubic equation? It's very simple. What was the original equation? Sir, the original equation was the quadratic graph. The quadratic original equation was y is equals to 4. The y is equals to 4 minus 3x square. Okay, y is equals to 4 minus 3x square, and then it will be y is equals to 4 minus 3x square, and we have got y is equals to 1 plus 5 divided by 3 minus x. Okay. Okay, 1 plus 5 divided by 3 minus x is y is equals to 4 minus x. 1 plus 5 divided by 3 minus x. So just equate them together and you will get it. Okay, this is the quadratic and this one was the Reciprocal one, reciprocal graph. Students need to understand what the question is all about. A quadratic graph, sir, a quadratic graph is merging. Sir, a quadratic graph is merging with the reciprocal graph. You just have to equate them, both of them together. So it will be 4 minus 3x square, 1 plus 5 divided by 3 minus x. So it will be taking the LCM, sir, 4 minus 3x square. 1 times of 3 will be 3, 3 minus x, 3x plus 5 divided by 3 minus x, okay? Divided by 3 minus x. So it will be, okay, we got the cross multiplication, that is 4 minus 3x square is equals to 4 minus 3x square times of 3 minus x is equals to 3 plus 5 is 8. So that will be, sir, 8 times of 8 minus the 3x, students. That is what we are going to get. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Any questions? Anyone, please have a look. Okay, 3 plus 5 is basically 8. All different types of concepts that can be tested. We are talking about them and we are trying to formalize that. So it will be, sir, ke ye ho jayega ke 4 3s are 12 and minus 4x and minus 3 3s are 9, so minus 9x squared and plus 3x to the power of cube is equals to 8 minus 3x. So we got this, ke 4 3s are 12 minus 4x minus 9x squared minus plus 3x squared plus 3x cube. So it will be, sir, 3x cube minus 9x squared, and we got minus 4x plus 3x. Simplify to one side, 12 minus 8 is equals to 0. As you can see, students, it will be coming out as 3x cube minus 9x squared minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. So that's the equation that you have to write it down here to get all 4 marks. If the values of a, b, c, d are correct, you get all 4 marks. 3x cubed minus 9x squared minus x plus 4. So it will be, said a value is 3, b value is negative 9, c value is minus 1, and d value is positive 4. Is it matching? Just one mistake is coming. If you multiply, we got minus 4x and then we got plus 3x. So if I do this, 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 3x. 3 ones are 3 minus 3x. Have you made any mistake? Please see, students, if I have made any silly mistake or something. 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 3x and minus 8 and plus 3x will be going there. So if we have minus 3x square into x plus positive 3x cube, 9x square, and 4 3s are 12, and minus 4x, 3 minus 3x plus 5 over 3 minus x. Any mistake that we have done, anyone? ये minus 3 क्यों नहीं आ रहा? This one is coming minus 3x, के minus x नहीं आएगा, minus 3x आना चाहिए. We got 4 minus 3x squared, 4 minus 3x squared, that is the a and b values. So if we do this, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, minus 4x, 9, positive 3x squared, 3 1s are 3, and 3 1s are 3. Oh, sorry, this is minus 6. Now, 1, यहाँ पर हमने mistake कर दी कि 1 multiplied by, silly mistake, कि 1 multiplied by 3 minus x plus 5 divided by 1 multiplied divided by 3 minus x. So this will be 3 minus x plus 5. So it should be 8 minus x. Is everyone getting it? 8 minus x. So this is basically plus x minus 4x plus x. So this is coming minus 3x. Only the c value was wrong. Otherwise, everything was correct. Is everyone clear? Understood? Any questions? People got it? So I've double checked with the marking scheme as well. Now the answer is correct. We're just making a silly mistake you were making when we are doing the LCM thing. Is everyone clear? Understood? People got it clear? Any questions, students? Hello? Is everyone clear? Following understood, right? No questions, no concerns. Okay. So there's how much marks we got? 4. All of them, if you got all the values correct, A value is 3, B value 9. So we got all marks if we get this done. Okay, so it will be minus 3, minus 9, minus 1, and 4. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 13, and 13 plus 2, 15. So we are getting 15 marks question we have done. Is everyone clear? 15 marks question is done. Let's also finish this part as well. It's the same thing. Just remember part C, we have done the whole question of this one and got all solutions. The examiner says the solutions to the equations x squared minus 3 divided by 2x is equals to 24 over 5 minus 2x. You can call it a concept as well, new concept. Otherwise, according to me, it's just part of basic just solving of the graphs as well. So we can tell the examiner, so it will be x squared minus 3 divided by 2x is equals to 24x squared minus 3 divided by 2x is equals to 24 over 5 minus 2x. So we do the LCM. It will be 1 time of 5 and it will be 1 times of 2x times of 2x as well here. So that should be 2x cubed minus 3 is equals to 2x is equals to 24 minus 10x divided by 5. You multiply both of them, cross multiplication, students. Any doubts? Anyone tell you any questions? People, let me know. Everyone got it? Understood? Clear, students here? So it will be, can we multiply and it will be this thing. So it will be 5 2s are 10x cube minus 5 3s are 15 and 24 2s are 48x minus 10 2s are 20x square. Okay. So here we go. Again, the cubic equation we have got, sir. 10x cube plus 20x square minus 48x minus 15 is equals to 0. And it's matching as well. As you can see, students, the minus 15 is matching at minus 15, while the value of A will be, while the value of A will be, while the value of A will be 10, and the value of B will be 20, and the value of C will be minus 48. It will be 10, 20, and negative 48. Let's also check it. So again, we got 4 marks for this. Any questions? This one, you have to write down the values of A, B, and C. Is everyone clear? It's me following students. Any concerns? Anyone? Any problems? Let me know. People got it clear? Is everyone clear? Understood? Got it, students? Any questions? Anyone? Okay, so we got 10, 20, and minus 48 as the values of A, B, and C. Okay. So this one, October, November 21 is done. Then the next one is this one. So how do you write this one? Part C of this one is also left. Let's talk about that as well. Okay, is everyone following? Is everyone there following? A ticket students clear? Everyone? So what we need to understand, okay, this one is related to the asymptote thing that there are no solutions. The examiner is saying there are no solutions to the equation. मतलब जो original equation है, there are no solutions to the equations. While where k is an integer, so complete the highest possible value of k is what, and the equation of the asymptote is what. So it's the same answer for both of them. Just follow the black graph only. Students need to understand. Just follow the black graph only. That this minus one is the. I'll do it in the red color. Students need to understand that this minus one will be an asymptote. How do I know, sir? Minus one is an asymptote because as you can see, we make the graphs. K doesn't matter कि जो the graph will always go like this. The graph will go to infinity level but never touch the y is equals to minus one line because अगर ये minus one हो जाए, how to make y zero? तो आप minus one put कर दोगे minus one plus one वो zero था और ये zero possible नहीं है. Y cannot be zero for this question क्योंकि minus one plus one zero हो जाएगा. So that is why we have to be make sure कि y is equals to minus one पे there will be no points coming for the original graph. The highest possible value where there are no solutions are basically minus 1 and y is equals to minus 1 is that asymptote line, equation of the asymptote line. Is everyone getting the asymptote lines and understanding, students? How does that work? So yeah, asymptote lines are basically where there will be no points coming in. Is everyone understanding? Getting this clear? People got this? Any questions? Anyone? Has everyone got it clear? Understood? So yeah, any doubts? The highest possible value of k is minus 1. Because as you can see, we have to get the value of k where k is an integer, but there are no solutions. There are no solutions for k. So it's -1 there, and the equation of the asymptote line is also y is equals to -1, because -1 के नीचे solution ही नहीं होगा. Getting it? The solution ही नहीं होगा -1 के नीचे. So that's the thing. Is it clear? Got it? Understood? Any questions? Anyone? People got it clear? Students following? Hello, is everyone getting that clear? Any questions? Okay, so we are done with this one as well. Let's talk about question number 12. Let's solve this question number 12 as well. Okay, sure. क्या clarity नहीं है? What's the concept? We need to understand कि ये जो equation है, the black color में line में equation है, ठीक है? We have got the black color line equation. If you can focus back on the question, 2 times of 0.5x power minus 1. What we need to understand, ये जो black color का ग्राफ जा रहा है, highlighted for you. जो black color का ग्राफ जा रहा है, ये कभी भी मीट नहीं करेगा -1 पे. क्यों? जाता रहेगा. It will go to infinity, but it will never reach the. It will never touch the line of y is equals to -1. Why, sir? Because y is equals. आप try कर लो. आप इसके अंदर 100 वैल्यू ट्राई कर लो, तो यू विल रियलाइज कि 100 वैल्यू ट्राई कर लो. इट्स द सेम थिंग. 100 वैल्यू ट्राई करेंगे, दैट विल बी गिविंग अस द आंसर कि वही माइन. तो इट विल बी रीचिंग -1. आंसर नहीं आएगा. इट विल बी रीचिंग सम पॉइंट, बट बहुत -1 से क्लोज होगा, बट -1 नहीं आएगा. तो -1 इज दैट आइसोम्टोट लाइन. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आप y की वैल्यू -1 पुट कर दोगे और जब सॉल्व करने जाओगे, तो यू विल रियलाइज कि ये सॉल्व ही नहीं हो सकता जब तक ये अगर y 0 का सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता. इट विल गिव अ मैथ एरर. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू सॉल्व. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो इसीलिए y जो है वो 0 के बराबर नहीं हो सकता. क्योंकि y 0 के बराबर नहीं होता, मतलब हम इसको y को -1 ले सकते हैं. y को -1 लेंगे तो सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा. y is equals to -1 will be an asymptote line. Is everyone got it? Clear हो गया? बात समझ आ गई? तो इसलिए मैंने लिख दिया कि -1 पे सोल्यूशंस भी नहीं है, और y is equals to -1 हमारा जो है वो asymptote की लाइन पे हो गई. Is it clear? Got it? Understood है? कोई प्रॉब्लम? तो उसके बाद जो होगा, एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं इसी तरह का. ये asymptote वाला, मतलब एक्सपोनेंशियल वाला. तो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस वन. इज एवरीवन देयर विद मी फॉलोइंग? तो आपको आपको और क्लियर हो जाए. तो लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 कंप्लीटली. आप ट्राई करें. व्हेन x इज पावर ऑफ -1, so 2 power -1 is half. Half minus 3 will be -2.5. When x is 0, 2 power 0 is 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. When x is 1, 2 power minus 2, or 2 power is 2, 2 minus 3 is -1. So we have got all three marks directly by just giving the solution. अब इसको draw करते हैं. When x is -2, y is -2.75. So that will be this one here. And when x is -1, y is -2.5. ठीक है जी. When x is 0, y is -2. When x is 0.5, -1.58. When x is 1, y is -1. और फिर उसके बाद when x is 1.5, y is -0.17. So -0.17 still. When x is 2, y is 1. And then when we have got 2.5, then it's coming to 2.6 as well. Okay. So as we can see again, यहाँ पर क्या asymptote हो जाएगा? Anyone would like to volunteer? कि सर यहाँ पर क्या asymptote होगा? Again कि ये -3 पे कभी टच नहीं करेगा. तो y is equals to बनाना नहीं है. We don't have to do this. We don't have to make it कि y is equals to -2 is an asymptote line. Just have to be careful how to do this. Is everyone getting it? Following students, clear हो गई बात? Any questions, any doubts, people? Anyone? Let me know. So we have got this line equation in one go form. Okay, students. So then we have to use your graph. Use your graph to solve the equation. 2 power x minus 3 is equals to 2. So very simple, sir. The whole equation is the same. It's the same. Finding the solutions or getting the solutions. Y is equals to 2 power x minus 3. So we just have to do y is equals to substitute y is equals to 2. Get the line, make the line, students, for the examiner, and whatever the solution came must be accurate. So this is my solution coming, sir. A की solution आ रहा है, which is basically 2.4, and that should be correct as well. Is everyone following? Understood? People got it? Any concern? Anyone? Let me know. People got it? Okay, last one is the manipulation. By manipulation, we have to do. Last one is the manipulation that we have to do by drawing a suitable straight line. So we have to draw a suitable straight line which is solve the equation 2 power x minus 1.5. Okay, so we have to solve the equation which is 2 power x minus 1.5 is equals to 2 power x minus 1.5 is equals to 0. What you have to do is compare both of them. Y is equals to 2 power x minus 3. So what we do is basically, students, up, and then only thing we can find common is 2 power x and 2 power x. So y plus 3 is equals to 2 power x. That will be the case. Okay, so we can see mark it out as well. 2 power x and 2 power x is the only common thing. So you substituted here instead of 2 plus 2 power x, y plus 3 minus x minus 1.5 because we need to make a linear line. So it will be still plus 3 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, and if I take x to the other side, so x minus 1.5. I have taken things to the other side, sir. Y is equals to x minus 1.5. Is everyone getting it clear? Following understood, students? Y is equals to x minus 1.5. So it will be box coming in, get the values, sir, and get the solution as well. Okay. Is everyone got it clear? Okay, past students understood. Okay, we have got, sir, the x values and we have got the y values as well. Okay, it will be, sir, okay, when x is 0, तो y will be coming negative 1.5. तो एक solution तो ये हो गया. दूसरा ले लेते हैं 2 पे. अगर 2 होगा तो 2 minus 1.5 is also something. 2 minus 1.5 is coming 0.5. और एक negative 2 पे ले लो. When negative 2, तो negative 2 and negative 1, negative 2 and negative 1.5, negative 3.5, वो तो possible नहीं है. तो negative 1 पे ले लेते हैं. Negative 1 will be negative 1 and negative 2, negative 1.5, negative 2.5 पे. So we have got the 3 points. हम इनको plot कर लेते हैं इसलिए. जब 0 है, तो we got sir negative 1.5, ठीक है जी. जब 2 है, तो we got positive 0.5, सही है जी. और फिर जब जो है वो negative 1 है, तो we are getting negative 2.5 as well. ये तो मैच ही कर रहा है. तो नेगेटिव 1 पे नेगेटिव 2.5 आ रहा है, तो फिर ये हो गया. बस ये मैच, ये इस तरह करके लाइन बन जाएगी. ये हमारे दो सोल्यूशंस आ गए और एग्जामिनर दो सोल्यूशंस मांग रहा है, तो एक तो मैच कर रहा है कि सर एक तो ये होगा -1 और एक हो जाएगा, दोनों जो कट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर बिल्कुल मिडिल में, तो 1.7 हो जाएगा. 1.65 और 1.7 आप दे सकते हैं. इसके भी आंसर चेक करते हैं. 1.65 और -1 मेरा आंसर आ रहा है. मैं डबल चेक करता हूँ कि -1 to 1.65 वर्क करेगा या नहीं करेगा. ठीक है जी. Is everyone getting it? Following बात समझ आ गई students? Clear है? Any questions? Anyone? People got it? Any concerns? Let me know. Clear हो गया students? Understood? I got it. ठीक. क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताएं, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा वापस क्या इशू आ रहा है. हमने कॉन्सेप्ट लास्ट क्लास में तो किया था, हमने जस्ट रिवीजन कर रहे हैं इसका. तो जस्ट हमने सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड करने इक्वेशंस को ड्रॉ करके. ठीक है जी. हमें सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड करने इक्वेशन को ड्रॉ करके. तो ये y इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पावर x माइनस 3 है. y इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पावर x माइनस 3, और ये भी कह रहा है 2x पावर माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 2. तो दोनों को इक्वेट करना है. दो अलग अलग इक्वेशन है. y इज इक्वल्स टू 2 अलग इक्वेशन है और y इज इक्वल्स टू 2x माइनस 3 अलग इक्वेशन है. आप ऑलरेडी y इज इक्वल्स टू 2x माइनस 3 ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं. 2 पावर x माइनस 3 आप ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं रेड कलर में. आपने जस्ट एक ग्रीन लाइन ड्रॉ करी y इज इक्वल्स टू 2 की, जहां पर भी दोनों इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. आपने वो सोल्यूशन निकाल दिया जो कि 2.4 था. बस सिमिलरली इस तरह यहाँ पर ये हो रहा है कि जब ये एक दूसरी लाइन है उसको मैनिपुलेट करके पहले चेंज करना पड़ेगा. बस हमें स्ट्रेट लाइन चाहिए. हमने पहले स्ट्रेट लाइन निकाली y इज इक्वल्स टू x माइनस 1.5 और फिर हमने इसका सोल्यूशन करा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? अब देखें, पहले हमने इसका स्ट्रेट लाइन निकाली, हमने मैनिपुलेट करा कि जो कॉमन है, और फिर हमने इसका जो है वो सारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल के हमने प्लॉट करा और फिर सोल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करा. इसके आंसर्स डबल चेक कर लेते हैं कि हमारा आंसर जो विद इन रेंज आ रहा है. तो you must- एक तो -1 आना चाहिए, उसने भी कंफर्म कर दिया. और दूसरा कह रहा है कि किसी भी पॉइंट में आ जाए. -1 तो कंफर्म आना चाहिए सिर्फ. और अगर और दूसरा जो है 1.55 to 1. 1.55 टू 1.7 के दरमियान आ जाएगा तो यू विल गेट द मार्क। 1.55 टू 1.7 के दरमियान अगर आ गया तो यू विल स्टिल गेट द मार्क। ठीक है जी, एवरीवन गॉट इट, क्लियर हो गई बात, अंडरस्टूड? पीपल गेटिंग इट, क्लियर है बात, फॉलोइंग? ये क्लियर हो गई बात, अंडरस्टूड? कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई कंसर्न, एनीवन? पीपल गॉट इट, क्लियर हो गई बात? हेलो, कोई और क्वेश्चन है पर्टिकुलर किसी ने सॉल्व किया हो, उसको डिफिकल्टी हो रही हो तो वो भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। एनीवन हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, लेट मी नो, तो वो डिस्कस कर लेंगे, सॉल्व कर लेंगे। एनीवन, एनी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है किसी का? ये एक और कर लेते हैं क्यूबिक ग्राफ वाला, चले लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अक्टूबर नवंबर 21 पेपर 4 वेरिएंट 2 के हाउ डू यू मेक द टेबल शो सम वैल्यूज फॉर y इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3। कंप्लीट द टेबल ऑन द ग्रिड ड्रॉ। तो लेट्स कंप्लीट द टेबल, तो क्या हो जाएगा व्हेन x इज -1, -3 टाइम्स ऑफ -1 स्क्वायर प्लस 3, तो ये हो गया 1, सो इट्स कमिंग 1। प्लीज डबल चेक कि when x is -1 y भी 1 आ रहा है। when x is 1.5 to the power of cube, -3 times of 1.5 to the power of square, और फिर +3, so this is coming negative 0.375, और फिर जब 3 आ जाएगा 3 power of cube -3 times of 3 square plus 3, so this is coming 3। सही है, तो ये हो गया पॉइंट्स मेजर करना। -1 पे वी गॉट 1 सर। Let's make the graph -1 by 1, negative 0.5, we are getting 2.125. Okay, so 2.125, let's take it here. This is something 2. When x is 0, y is 3. And when x is 0.5, y is 2.375. When 1, x is 1. And 1.5, negative 0.375. Negative 0.375. And when we got that as 2, so 2 will be -1, and then I have 2.5, that will be negative 0.125, something, let's take it here above. And the last one will be 3 by 3, so we got back 3. When x is 3, y is 3. Is everyone clear? Understood? Got it? So let's just sketch it. It's a cubic graph. As you can see, highest power is cube, students. So it's a cubic graph. So it's very simple. Just make it with the flow. And with these points, it will be, so okay, this should be -1 and +1 and negative 0.5, 2.125. So this should be going in a smooth curve. Little bit it's not good, but hope everyone understands कि कैसे बनेगा, right? People getting it, following students? ठीक है? That's how the graph sketching would be looking like. ठीक है? If I zoom out, it looks a little bit better. Is everyone following? Understood? Got it? People, any questions? ठीक है? -1 cube -3 times of -1 square plus 3. हाँ, देखिए मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ. This value nobody pointed out. When x is -1, y is also coming -1. ठीक है जी? So that's the issue. When x is -1, y is coming -1, which nobody pointed out. So this is the mistake. When x is -1, the y is also coming. That's why the graph was not going in the original form. This will be point here. Now the graph will be smooth. ठीक है, that's the perfect cubic graph it looks like. क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 solutions आने वाले थे. It should have been 3 solutions here. 1, 2 and 3 solutions here that should have come. Okay, is everyone clear? Understood? Got it, people? So what we have to do is basically by drawing a suitable part B is done. All points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got all 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. The next one is okay, by drawing a suitable straight line on the grid. Again, you just copy paste the original question and try to manipulate and get the values. Okay, it will be y is equals to x cube. This one is y is equals to x cube, and we got this as minus 3x square plus 3, and the other one will be x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So what's going to happen is basically, sir, okay, ये जो है x cube minus, what's the common between them? As you can see, the common between them is x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square. Let's try to make them the subject. So it will be, sir, by minus 3 x cube minus 3x square, and then substituted here y minus 3 plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So that will be y minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, positive 2 minus x. That's the graph. That's the linear line graph. Minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 will become positive 2, and plus x will become negative. Negative 2 will become positive 2, and x will become negative. Okay, on the other side. Is everyone clear? Understood? Following? So this is, if you can want to check your answers, or if you have any doubts, please let me know. This is what revision of whatever we have discussed up till now and the graphs thing learning. That is what we have done here. Okay. The next part is basically okay, what we got is okay, this will be okay, we have got x values and y values that we have to do. This is basically x and y values, and it will be, sir, okay, let's get couple of values. So it's very simple. When x is 0, y will be coming 2, and let's call it minus 1. So when x is minus 1, y should be coming 3, and when x is 3, y should be coming negative 1. So here we go. The points are there in front of us. When x is 3, y is negative 1. When x is 0, y is 2, sir. And when x is minus 1, y is 3. That's it. Let's make a straight line and see how many solutions it's cutting at with you. So that will be, sir, 1. With the ruler, you made the solutions, and that's it. 1 solution, 2 solution, red and green line, and 3 solutions. So we got the answer. One of them is definitely 1 solution. X is equals to the value of 1, sir. Okay. One solution will be something 2.4, and one solution will be negative 0.4. Is everyone getting it? Following? Understood, students? So that is what we have got. 1, 2.4 and negative 0.4. That is what we are getting. And that is what we have got. 3 solutions. Let's also check this one as well, which is October, November 21, paper 4, variant 2. That is it matching? All the answers are coming. Any questions? As we talked about, how does a cubic graph will always cut at 3 places. If you look at the original cubic graph, it's cutting at the 3 places. Everyone following, understanding that? Any questions, any doubts, anyone? Okay, so what we have got is basically, sir, one, if you have got one answer, that's correct. The solution, if anyone have got between 2.35 to 2.45, that's also correct. And if you have someone have got minus 0.45 to minus 0.35, that's also correct. Okay. Again, 1 mark for equation, 1 mark for drawing, 2 marks for solutions, 4 marks here. Correct points. If you have done correct plotting of the points, plotting the points correctly is very important. All points are there. Graph sketching, have you done properly? That's important. And is it accurate? Does it look like a cubic graph? And that's how the 4 marks will be split. 2 marks for the points and 1 mark for the sketching and 1 mark for the shape as well. So with this, what we have done, students, please have a look that what students where we have done. We have done how to find out the intersection. We have done graphs of functions, which is basically okay, finding out the intersection of the line and a curve. We have done this just today as well and previously as well. Examples include y is equals to x cube. We have drawn this type of graph. Previous session, we have done this one. We have done the exponential graphs as well in the form of powers. So what does the examiner wants from you? Can the student construct the table of values, draw and recognize the graph in the form of ax to the power of n, including sum of no more than three of these, and a b power value can be -2, -1, minus half, 0, half, 1, 2, 3. A and c are rational numbers, and b is a positive number. Look at point number one. Have we done all of this or not? So we have done all of this. Okay, the highest power can come as cube, and the value of any power can come as 1, 2, 3, negative half, 0, and -2, -1. These can be the n numbers as well. Okay. Then the graph solution thing. Okay, can the student solve associated equations graphically, including finding and interpreting roots by graphical methods? And can the students draw and interpret exponential growth and decay problems? तो हमने exponential growth और decay problems को क्या हम grow और कर सकते थे, वो basically exponential ग्राफ बनेगा. तो वो अभी कोई word problem तो आया नहीं है, but ये है कि this is how it will things will happen. Point number three is that. Is everyone getting it? Falling students clear हुई बात? People got it? Any question? So this is all graphs of functions completed. Is everyone following? Understanding clear हुई बात? Hello. So what is left is basically okay, how do we sketch now? Okay, how do you sketch, which is the part two of the graphs? Okay, how do you sketch the curves, that linear, quadratic, cubic, reciprocal, exponential? How do you sketch all of them? And then with the knowledge of the turning points, symmetry, vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and this all this thing with the perspective of differentiation. So this will be in the next two sessions, one session on complete differentiation and then one on the sketching of the graphs. Is everyone clear on that same page, correct people? So make sure graphs should be done 100%. Most probably out of the 12 questions, by the end of today, we have easily done 8 or 9 questions easily. Only couple of them are left. Make sure you complete it. And that is it. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. If anyone have concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, we are done for today. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.